welcome back to another video. Here it is, my M2 fully spec'd MacBook Air in midnight. Let's get this thing unboxed. Specific model that I got is the Apple M2 chip with 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16-core neural engine with 24GB unified memory, 2TB of SSD storage. It's a 15.3-inch liquid retina display with True Tone. It's got a 1080p FaceTime HD camera with a MagSafe 3 charging port. It's got 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, 70-watt USB-C power adapter, and the keyboard is a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. So this spec cost me £2,599. So in theory, I could have bought an M2 MacBook Pro 13-inch for £1,349. M2 Pro MacBook Pro 14-inch from £2,149. So what made me buy a MacBook Air and fully spec it out? Well, I really like the color, the thinness of the laptop, and to be honest, I don't really need pro features like the fan because I don't really do hardcore editing. The only videos I edit are the YouTube videos I make, and because I record them on the iPhone, it's really not intensive on the hardware. So what I managed to do was fully spec it out and still got it cheaper than the MacBook Pro, because if I was to spec the MacBook Pro out, I'd be looking at over $2,500. So in theory, this is a really good deal. So what do you guys think? Did I do the right thing in buying the MacBook Air and spec it out? Or do you guys think I should have went for a 14-inch MacBook Pro or even the 16-inch? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.